How to see what's currently trending on TikTok.
Hi everyone, I'm Eva. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So, are you ready to dive in? Then let's get started.
So, first of all, open your TikTok app. And since TikTok has deleted the feature of exploring or discovering what is trending, you can follow these two steps. Go on the search icon on the top right corner of your screen and search trending. Go to the hashtags and click on trendings, and here you can see various sounds which are now currently trending. The next way is just simply click on the plus icon on the bottom of your screen, and here click on add sound. Here all these recommended sounds are the trending sounds. Press on see all and you can see these are the trending sounds. If you like this video or if this video helped you in any way, then please hit that like button and subscribe for more.